Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials and taking the first real steps. Upload a high-resolution photo and pick 2 to 3 Ghibli reference images so you match color and mood. Once done, extract the subject with a quick mask or crop to isolate composition because you'll need that clean foreground for stylization. Make sure to note lighting direction and palette. These guide every later adjustment. Now you're ready to move from raw inputs into controlled style prompts and tools. You now craft layered prompts and execute the core transformation. Start by describing the subject, then append lighting cues, color grade, and film-like textures. This blend tells the model how to interpret Ghibli cues versus your photo. Once prompted, run an image-to-image diffusion pass at moderate strength so form holds while style transfers. After the pass, selectively tweak color temperature and saturation, and apply a mild film grain. These steps pull the soft, painted Ghibli feel into your image. Finish by refining and exporting so your image holds up at full size. You should perform local edits, soften edges, enhance eye catch lights, and use dodge and burn to reinforce depth, because these micro-adjustments sell the painted look. Once satisfied, export at the original resolution and keep a layered master file for future tweaks. If things go wrong, here's a key tip. Reduce image-to-image strength or simplify the prompt. That often restores facial fidelity and corrects odd artifacts without losing style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.